Yes, the old Sig Gen.
Actually, if you're recording, I better shut up. Jammed in. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a tribute to the mechanical engineers that put it together. Plus, it was completely automatic, but a nightmare to work on.
Yeah, that's more basic.
That's much more.
You can put your hands in.
Yes, and go bzzz. Happily have it going. I mean, this sort of gear, it's not worth really keeping it unless you're going to keep it operational.
It's quite fascinating inside. It's quite hard to open up. It's
Thousands of screws.
yeah, I think there's 3 cases. It's remarkably stable VFO. They're not that good.
God, these used to be a couple of dollars in every disposals.
Yeah, I think I've got lots of disposables or something. We'll find a screwdriver and attack the device. I think it's something just simple with the power supply. It's not working. It used to work all the time.
Front panel.
Right. Well, look at that. I guess it's a matter of opening up. Yeah. Undoing it there.
This may take some time. I hope we don't run out of film before I've...
No, we've got plenty of 35mm stock.
Excellent. 20 minutes later.
Yes. Look at that. So there we are there. God knows what these things would have cost.
So I can't remember what the new name is that they've got. Yeah, it's the descendant of Wandel and Golterman. Anyway, I'm getting the immediate undivided attention of 2 of their reps.
Right.
And they said, now the base model starts at $60,000.
Oh, yes.
Top-notch gear is still north of 50,000.
He must have thought you ran some big research laboratory.
Yeah. He had the details.
Yeah, there's some expensive stuff around.
Yeah, no, it's...
This looks good. You keep showing the light on those valves. Put a nice little blue light on them. Look, 2 A3s.
You can sell those on eBay. Yeah, they're just 2 sort of triodes tacked in parallel.
Yeah.
There's a whole range of other ones that are sort of, you know, probably infinitely better. But there's one called a 50, which is a very good low-view triode. 7.5 volt filament, 7.5 volts, 1 amp, I think. But they've all been identified by the Golden Ear Brigade, and they'll go for stupid prices. And they're all made in the deepest depths of Wuhan. Plenty of bands.
Yeah, okay, that's probably enough.
Can't think what to call it now. And these are Second World War. I'd say it could be immediate, you know, between 945 and 948.
Right. Okay.